Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by placing the Redmi watch face down on a soft cloth so nothing gets scratched. Next, identify whether your strap uses quick-release pins or tiny lug screws. That determines the tool you use. If there's a quick release, you'll see a small lever. If there are screws, use a 1.5 mm screwdriver. Be steady and work in good light so you can see the pin orientation. Once done, you'll be ready to disengage the strap safely without forcing parts. Now focus on releasing the mechanism itself. For quick-release straps, use your thumb or a small tool to pull the tiny lever toward the strap center. That compresses the spring bar so the strap slips out. For lug screws, stabilize the watch and turn the screw counterclockwise slowly until the bar frees. Make sure you support the watch body to prevent twisting. Once the pin clears, gently slide the strap away. Don't yank, because spring bars can fly out unexpectedly. Finish by inspecting the spring bar and lug for wear. Replace any bent parts to ensure a secure fit. If reattaching a new strap, insert one end of the bar into its lug hole, compress the other end with the lever or tool, align carefully, then release so it snaps into place. Make sure the strap sits flush and wiggle it gently to confirm security. If the pin stays stuck, try a small drop of isopropyl to loosen grime and repeat. Avoid excessive force.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.